Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change refresh rate on your AOC monitor. So what you can do is basically right click it on your computer, go to the display settings, and right here select your monitor, and basically if you go down and click on advanced display settings, right here select the monitor. So for me it is 24G1WG4, it is AOC monitor. And right here, if you click on display adapter properties, as you can see, like here, and if you go to the monitor, you'll be able to change refresh rate. Click apply, click OK, and that's how you change your refresh rate on AOC monitor. You can do that by going to the menu right here with the buttons and going to the OSD setup. Okay, not OSD. Let me find somewhere. Okay, if you're going to the extra, you'll find that you can change hertz and frequency. So that's how you can change it. And if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.